再去看世界，要带大家做伙来看，伫咧2005年的时阵，卡崔娜飓风，迄当阵是严重损断美国的纽奥良这个所在。一路行来，重建家园之路会当讲是真无简单。伫当地有大学建筑系学生，因用实际行动来甲这个灾民斗相共重建。即马20年过去啊，因每一年拢替灾区起一栋厝，嘛成做这个社区复原真大力量。伫纽奥良大街，这栋亲像货柜厝，暗过自行前过建筑，都是当地杜兰大学建筑系学生为卡崔娜风灾过后纽奥良重建打造的新主题。
We built a duplex. It's a multifamily unit. So there's 2 dwellings here. Each one is about 500 square feet, 1,000 square feet in total. It's a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and then there's a dual kitchen living area.
2005年8月底，卡崔娜大风台重创美国路易斯安那州的纽奥良，登陆了后，军舰超过12点钟了才减弱，超过80%面积浸水，最后造成将近1400人死亡，经济损失高达2000亿美金。合代票落掉是美国史上上惨重风灾。风灾过后，当地杜兰大学建筑系主动投资重建工作，成立都市建设计划小组，透过设计提到许可过起厝，实际为当地居民提供居住空间。建筑系学生伫学术年度内底为想法设计到申请建造甲实际时间，专程参加起一栋完整的厝，差不多16礼拜要起好一间厝。
I think it'll make a positive impact on this community and bring a lot of value and progress here, hopefully.
Locals appreciate that A, we're not developers looking to make a profit, we're educators looking to make a difference, and I think that allows them to feel good about what we're doing. They don't.
中破西爱丁顿对即卖厝充满归属感。
When I first moved in, I saw it as a house and sort of as a means to an end. But now I view it as a home. We need to keep building and maintaining affordable housing for people, and especially people of color.
透过这项计划，学生用伫实际专案内底学习，佮为当地社区带来贡献，提供需要居住空间的民众一个真正的厝。伫卡崔娜大风台20年过后，都市建筑计划悠远的继续，用2005年的专案做例，已经是这计划起的第20栋的厝，重建计划拢无停过。公司新闻警员庆评价。